Happy Monday, Brent Tallman here with Fairway Independent Mortgage with the mortgage market update for December 4th. Hard to believe we're in the last month of 2023. It's a great time to reflect and look at all that has happened in 2023, successes, the failures, and evaluate where you are. It's a great time to do that. Not only that, it's a time to look forward to 2024. Start to put a strategic plan in place. Be very specific with that. And if you need help with that, I'd love to meet with you one-on-one, go through a 2024 real estate plan with you, and help walk that path with you. So if you're interested in that, please reach out to me. Be happy to do that. And let's just get right to rates. Rates have been stable for the last 2 weeks, which is great. They've steadily come down. They're at their lowest level in 3 months. The average conventional rate stands at 7.09. FHA and VA both stand at 6.5%. And they continue to be steady, which is an amazing thing because for the last year and a half, we've had whiplash with how rates have gone up and how rates have come down. And it's good to have stability. We do think that's going to continue, and that's what we want to see. We don't want to see a drastic drop. We want to see a slow and steady decline because the market really couldn't handle a sudden drop. And so we're expecting that. So we got some economic news that we need to pay attention to this week, and all revolves around job numbers. We have the JOLTS report coming out, we have the ADP report coming out, as well as the jobless claims and the BLS report on Friday. Those are all job reporting. And if that continues to show the economy cooling down, we're going to continue to see this steady march downward in rates, which is going to help us out. Now, that does bring pain to other sectors. That means companies aren't hiring, wages aren't getting increased the way that people would want them to, and so that does always bring a little bit of pain. But on the real estate side and mortgage rates, this is good news. And so that also means now really is the best time to buy, because we had the pending home sales come out. It's the lowest level in 20 years. Matter of fact, in the South, we have decreased 7.1% year over year on pending home sales, but inventory has not increased that much. And so there's still a huge demand versus supply. There's way more demand than there is supplies. And so what that means is home pricing will continue to go up. And as more and more buyers get qualified, as rates continue, it's going to allow buyers to get approved. We're going to get back to multiple offer situations. And right now it's a seller's market because of the lack of inventory, but it's buyer friendly. Sellers are willing to make concessions. Can you imagine you submit an offer, you got a Hometown Heroes or you got some other 100% financing program in place, and you're going to the sellers, and now you're going to have to compete with somebody that's putting down 20% cash offer? Not going to happen. You're not going to get that deal. They're not going to go with the Hometown Heroes. They're not going to go with the 100% financing. And so you really, really need to capitalize and take advantage of this opportunity right now with your buyers. It's a tremendous time to buy. Yes, you may not get the lowest rate, but you can always refinance 6 months down the road. And so, but take advantage and get a house now. Home pricings continue to go up, and as more and more buyers come into the pool, as rates decrease, demand is just going to increase that much, and home pricing is going to go up. And so really, really is a great time to buy. The other news is FHA and Conforming have both raised their loan limits. FHA has gone up to $498,257. That's an increase of roughly about $26,000. That means on minimum FHA financing, you can purchase a home around $517,000, which is great news. Conforming's gone up to $766,550. So that's also good news for buyers as well. And we're not doing a happy hour this week, but I'd still, this month, we'd still love, we're get that going back in January. We want you to celebrate Christmas, enjoy time with your family and friends and coworkers. But as I mentioned, I'd love to connect with you. If you want to put a 2024 plan together, please reach out to me. You want to do a one-on-one, please reach out to me. Want to do an open house, reach out to me. And also, a big tip, if you want to get ahead of your competition, if you want to do a little bit better this year than last year and set yourself up in 2024 for success, work in the holidays. Most people take the holidays off. Work. Make your phone calls. Set your appointments. Do your marketing. Continue to do those things in the holidays. While people are taking time off, you do the work. It will set yourself apart and set you up for success in 2024. With that being said, remember this. Now is always a great time to buy. Take care and have a great week.